Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ang inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa mga kaibigan po natin sa Facebook at YouTube, maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Ang daming tao po dito sa studio. Marami po ang nag-aabang. Hinihintay at hinahanap po si Soraya at si Moira noon, pero at saka nating pag-uusapan yan. But right now, Naitay Kapuso, please welcome isa sa pinakamahusay na artista ng telebisyon, entablado at pelikula, ang nag-iisang Pinky Amador!
Hello, Tito Boy.
Hi.
So, have you done? Ginawa mo na ba yung inutos ko sa'yo?
Ay, ginawa ko po, Ma'am Soraya.
Oh.
Ano ho ba ang gusto niyong gawin ko? Kasi maraming style. Gusto niyo ho ba talagang mawalan?
Patayin mo!
As in, patayin ho talaga?
Siyempre.
May ideya ho ako. Pwede ho kami pumunta sa skin clinic.
Ha? Bakit doon?
Ay, naku ma'am, ang ganda-ganda ho doon. Dahil, siyempre, ifi-facial ko po siya.
Oh.
May lason ho yung gamit. Gusto niyo ho ba yun?
Well, pwede na yun. But I just want something that's really permanent. And talagang fabulous. Kailangan fabulous ang pagkapatay mo.
Okay. Ay,
Mag-isip ka, bilis!
Itutulak ko na lang ho sa bangin.
Gamit na yan.
Ma'am, ano ho ba?
Mag-isip ka nga. Gusto ko fabulous death. Fabulous.
Sunugin ko kaya ho siya pag dumaan mamaya.
Sunugin? Paano ang sunog?
Halimbawa, kumakanta si Marikit. Kasi mahilig ho yung kumanta at sumayaw. Habang kumakanta, kunyari, natapilok siya. Dahil may inilagay ho akong bato doon.
Okay.
Pag natapilok siya, hindi niya alam may bomba. Yung bomba ho ay sasabog.
Sasabog talaga.
Tapos yun.
O sige na nga, ewan ko ba sa'yo? Why did I even hire you? I don't know. I mean, you really can't get the help these days.
Oh my God.
Hindi mo lang kita makis, di ba?
Welcome to the program.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh my God. I'm just so happy you're here. Maraming salamat.
Thank you for inviting me again.
Yeah, and welcome again and again and again and again.
Diba? Why not?
And I was talking about Moira and
Soraya.
How is this? You know, paano? Kasi napakaklaro pa, lalo na doon sa mga sumubaybay kay Moira. When you do something like this, Pinky, as an actor, what do you do?
Siyempre nandun yung pressure to make Soraya different. Kasi more than 2 years nang nakatatak si Moira sa isipan at diwa ng mga tao. So, Soraya has to be very different. Well, Soraya is different kasi Soraya is talagang kriminal. Okay?
Kaya pala yung mga patayin mo.
Yes, oo. Asawa siya ng isang parang mafia boss.
Okay.
And then she took over the job. So talagang ano siya, walang pakundangan, mamamatay tao. Yun.
Okay.
So that's different.
As opposed to the character of
Moira, who started out as the wronged wife. 'Di ba? Wronged wife, nagkamali yung asawa niya, nakabuntis ng iba, tapos naging kalaban pa ng anak niya yung anak ng asawa niya sa labas, ganon. So, Moira was more emotional. More emotional, may pinanghuhugutan na, linoko mo ko eh.
Kumusta ang pagiging kontrabida kay Marikit? How is it working with Herlene Budol?
Napakadali kasi,
dahil
ano siya very concerned siya sa kapwa niya lagi. I think, generally sa cast ng Binibining Marikit, the women and even the men take care of each other. Inaalagaan nilang isa't isa. Oo. Di ba dapat naman ganun?
Dapat.
Oo, di ba? So nandun yung pagkalinga, nakikita ko, of course, from Pokwang, of course. Maraming beses na kami magkasama. Tsaka ang language nila, love language nila sa set na yan is pagkain.
Ay, ang ganda.
Oo, di ba?
No, but I like hearing that line na dapat lamang that we take good care of each other. And kasama dyan ang, alam mo ang ginagawa mo? Kasama dyan ang dumadating ka sa oras, paggalang.
Yes.
A lot of respect. Hindi lamang being nice to one another, but expressing it as an actor. Diba? Pagdating sa karera, people would say that you are at a certain high in your career. Lalo na pagdating sa itong character roles, no? maaari dahil sa abot kamay na talagang sobrang tumatak ka, tumatakbong palayo ang mga tao pag dumadating si Moira.
Hindi naman!
But that's how effective you were in abot kamay. What is this? I mean, may reflections ka ba? May mga pagmumuni-muni ka ba tungkol sa iyong tinatamasang tagumpay sa iyong karera?
Wow. It was unexpected. Sobrang unexpected but so welcomed. So welcomed kasi, kumbaga buong karera ko, pinaghirapan ko naman to di ba? Pinagtrabahuan ko to, talagang, I went through everything to get to this point. So parang, imbis na...
And we saw that.
Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you po. And so talaga ngayon, wini-welcome ko na salamat naman. Maraming salamat. Even to the haters. Most especially to the haters, maraming salamat dahil napapatunayan nyo na nagagampanan ko ng tama yung trabaho ko.
Okay. Ang pagiging kontrabida, hindi naman lahat po. Pero bahagi nito ay the art of slapping. Di ba? The art of making sabunot, halimbawa. Natutunan mo na yon. I mean, do you have a particular style on how you do it?
Especially kung first time ko siyang makakasampal, hindi ko pa siya nakatrabaho, I always tell yung sasampalin ko kasi hindi ko naman pinang-aabot yung kamay ko. Unless special request. No?
Okay. Anong special request?
Unless
may mga co-actors na nagsasabing, sampalin mo ako.
Oo, kailangan nila mag-breakdown, kailangan umiyak, pagod na sila.
Okay.
Siyempre, mas madali kung may physical, di ba? Pero ako kasi pag mananampal ako, fingers lang Hindi ko na pinang-aabot to. Kasi masakit to Masakit to. And then somebody actually noticed it on one of my TikToks. Sabi niya, si Moira or si Soraya tuwing mananampal may vocal cue.
How do you pronounce it? Moira?
Moira, Moira or Soraya may...
It's moi. Ang ganda.
That's the way I pronounce it.
Anyway, okay.
So yan, so lagi may vocal cue.
Okay.
Para alam ng tao, kahit di siya nakatingin, na parating na.
Okay.
And that I learned in drama school.
Wow.
Yeah, in fight classes.
What do fight classes actually teach?
They teach you
Tayo tayo, Peng. Halimbawa, winu-workshop
ata
ako.
mangyayari. Okay. So, all you have to do is watch my hand.
Okay.
Okay. And then, sasabayan mo to. Okay? And then, I'm going to give you a vocal cue para alam mo kung kailan na yung point na supposed to be tatama na sa'yo.
Okay.
Diba?
Okay.
Shall we give them an example?
3, 2, 1.
Walang hiya ka! Diba?
Arte ko
Did it
naman.
work? Was it easy?
Yeah. Oo.
Okay.
Pero kailangan talaga ng pag-uusap.
Yes,
Because
it's like a
it will
dance.
Yes, hindi talaga it wouldn't look real kung hindi ko alam na ganun pala yun.
Oo, na hindi mo nararamdaman parating.
But was there a time na may sinampal ka, nag-request sumampal,
Yes.
nasaktan ng todo and you felt sorry?
Yes.
Meron yun, no?
Yes, Vina Morales.
Wow.
Yeah.
Siyang nagsabi,
Actually, I can't remember na matagal na to, pero talagang I knew her ears were ringing. Talagang sumakit talaga yung tenga niya.
Oo.
At nangyari na rin sa akin yun.
ay, ikaw ang nasampal.
Oo.
Sino ang sumampal?
Yasmin Curdy. As in, talagang nakalimutan ko yung dialogue ko. Sa sobrang
My
lakas,
God.
the whole set, tumahimik sila lahat. Parang, okay pa ba si Luis Miguel?
Oo.
Buhay pa ba yan? Makakaano? Kasi talagang sa sobrang windang ko talaga, asan na ako? Teka muna. Teka, ano na yung dialogue ko? Ganon, naka-comedy. Tapos, ayoko naman take 2. Kuya Boy, sinunod-sunod ko na. Pero it took me a while to remember, asan na ako? Anong gagawin ko? Ayun. Thank you, Bristol Old Vic Theater School.
Thank you.
Thank you
Which
po.
school is this? I'm sorry.
Bristol Old Vic po. I was a scholar.
The Old Vic Theater?
Yes, they have a school in Bristol. That's where it started po.
Wow. How tiring is it to play kontrabida?
Very.
Very.
Hindi lang kasi physical, emotional, psychological. Tapos yung hindi pa napag-uusapan lagi is yung kailangan mo magpagpag bago ka umuwi. Kasi hindi mo
You do that until now?
Yes.
Okay.
Kasi hindi mo na lang namamalayan, nadadala mo na yung karakter, yung kasungitan mo, yung tsaka syempre pagod ka na rin.
Anong klaseng pagpag ang ginagawa mo?
Iba-iba. Meditation, listening to music, watching a movie. Kahit anong para lang malibang.
Distraction.
Exactly.
Or disruption. Oo.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah.
Oo. Para talagang matanggal yung yung psyche mo dun sa karakter. Kasi isipin mo like inabot kamay 4 days days a week kami nagte-taping.
Oo.
More days you are playing the character than
Right.
you're not.
Okay lang si Soraya, bayad.
Ayan na, ito na. Fast talk na.
Let's do fast talk. 2 minutes to do this and our time begins now. I like the Moira. I spell talaga M-O-I-R-A.
Moira.
Moira. O Soraya.
Soraya na.
Mataray maamo.
Sorry?
Mataray maamo.
Mataray.
Maldita maarte.
Maldita.
Punky pinky.
Punky.
Fearless flawless.
Fearless.
Less or more.
More.
Bold brave.
Brave.
Workshop workout.
Workout.
Teatro telebisyon.
Both.
Kilay is life, lipstick is life.
Both.
Mas nakakabagot, walang trabaho o walang love life.
Walang trabaho.
Mas nakakapagod, magalit o mag-workout.
Magalit.
Mas masakit, umaasa, maiwan.
Umaasa.
Mas masarap, makipag-date o matulog.
Matulog.
Craziest thing you did noong kabataan mo.
Stalk someone.
Foolish thing you did to yourself.
Cut my hair in a horrible way.
Sexiest thing you did to a man.
Did the dance.
Okay.
Dance lang.
Gawin natin mamaya, ha? One thing you cannot live without.
Love.
Oo, hindi o depende. Magkarelasyon sa mas bata.
Depende.
Oo, hindi depende. Magpakasal sa tamang panahon.
Depende.
Oo, hindi o depende. Mag-direct ng pelikula.
Oo.
Oo, hindi depende. Mag-post ng nude.
Nagawa ko na.
Oo, hindi depende. Natatakot tumanda.
Hindi.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
All the time.
What's the song of your life right now?
La Vie en Rose.
Oh, wow. Love you.
Pinawisan ako doon.
Namangha ako at natulala, di ba? Pero, Pinky, at this point, you are 39 years old. No. No, at this age, Pink.
Yes po.
What do you know about yourself and about love for sure? Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. The show, kasama po natin si Soraya. Okay, Pinky, let's talk about it. At your age, what are you sure about life and about love?
That love always needs respect. Always.
Pag nawawala yon.
Then it might not be love.
When was the last time you fell in love? Tagal na?
Tagal na.
Matagal na?
Tagal na.
And that's a choice kasi eh. Is it?
I'm not closing the door, but I've found myself happy by myself, which I think is important before getting into a relationship.
What's good about it? And what's not good about it? I mean, being alone. Not naman alone as in alone, no?
Oo. What's good about it is that you're not answering to anyone. You have freedom talaga, di ba? Hindi ka na kailangang magpaalam, di ba? Ang mahirap doon is yung, syempre, very basic questions like mortality.
Tama.
Di ba? Mortality, parang may mag-aalaga ba sa akin pagtanda ko, gano'n, may hahawak ba ng kamay ko on my deathbed, di ba nga, morbid, di ba? Pero, I
But
guess
real.
yun yung pinakagrabe. Pero, until we get to that point, wala naman.
Ito, I'm coming from my own perspective. Because I'll tell you what I think. Natatakot kang tumanda, natatakot kang mamatay.
Natatakot akong maging walang silbi. Natatakot akong maging dependent sa iba.
Helpless.
Oo. Nakakatakot yon. And I remember nung tumatanda na yung mami ko, I brought her to a geriatric psychiatrist. At pinaliwanag sa akin yun na parang pagka tumatanda na yung mga magulang natin, dumarating na sila sa punto na hindi na sila nakakapagdesisyon. Especially kung talagang sila yung nagmamando ng lahat or mga CEO ng mga kumpanya or nagli-lead ng family. Pag dumarating yung point na wala na sa kanila yung responsibilidad na yon, medyo nakaka-freak out. So, nagpapasalamat talaga ako dun sa psychiatrist na
Right.
na nakausap po. Kasi naintindihan ko yun, not only for my mom, but even for me, na parang, uy, baka maging ganyan din ako. Di ba? Kasi I've always been doing things by my own tune. So, pag dumating ang point na hindi, kailangan may reckoning yun, di ba?
Tama, oo. And we overthink. We overthink mga mahal natin sa buhay, mga pinaghirapan.
Paano na sila? Oo, anong iisipin nila? Anong maiiwan sa kanila?
And lingid sa kaalaman po ng ating mga manonood, people don't know that one commonality in our life was our dear friend, Bobby Garcia, the director. Alam mo ba, when I was doing private conversations with Boy Abunda, my first public affairs political show, yun ang director ko.
Talaga?
Oo.
Hindi ko alam yun.
We did it together.
Wow.
We did it together for like, what?
Matagal
7
yun
years?
eh. Oo nga.
7 years?
Oo.
Oh, Bobby and I.
Wow.
Oo. Kaya, ang daming apektado tayong lahat. You know, we talk about that loss. To this day, I cry. Kasi bago pa eh. Bago pa. But as a director, and you've worked with Bobby in many materials, what did you learn? What did you learn from Bobby?
Yung passion niya.
Oo.
Parang si Tita Bibot lang, yung passion niya talaga. I first met him in London when we were doing Miss Saigon. Because he was together with Monique in New Voice, no? And then I met him in Manila. I watched one of his plays. And then parang...
Which was what? When?
Dog Eaters.
Okay.
Nagbayad talaga ako ng ticket, hindi ako nagpalibre, pumila talaga ako, nagbayad ako. Tapos parang dun ata bumukas yung isip niya na parang, uy, pwede si Pinky. Pwede si Pinky, ganon. Pero talagang ano yung passion niya pag nagtatrabaho siya, parang wala nang makaka-distract sa kanya. Tapos yung talagang hahangaan mo na come hell or high water, kahit ano pang mangyayari, the show will go on dahil kay Bobby Garcia.
At ang sarap lamang kasi kaibigan, and when we remember him, what a beautiful person he was.
Sobra.
Napakabuting
sobra.
tao.
Oo.
Di ba? Ang sarap. Tawang-tawa ngayon yan. Tawa ng tawa yan.
Oo nga, nako. Oo nga.
Matagal ko nang hindi nailalabas ang aking mahiwagang salamin.
Ay, oh no! Oh no! Okay.
Do you know that I did that first on that show I had with Bobby?
Talaga?
Oh.
In a political show?
In a political show.
Wow.
I mean, you know.
That must have been really interesting.
Yes. I will bring it out now.
Did they tell the truth?
Most of the time naman, people tell the truth. But I'll bring it out, you know, my imaginary mirror. And nasa salamin na yan ay naroon ang 10-year-old Pinky.
Wow.
Sige nga, ano ang sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Pinky, wag kang mahiya. Ayan, wag kang matakot magtanong. Kasi introvert ako nun eh. So yon, wag kang mahiya, wag kang matakot magtanong. Maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Be comfortable in your skin. Because I don't think I was.
Oh,
Yun. I don't think I was.
Maraming salamat.
Ay, salamat po.
Thank you. I love you. Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Pinky Amador. Wow. Imbitahan muna natin ang lahat.
Yes, of course. Wag natin kakalimutan, ito pong Sabado, syempre, magpakailanman featuring the life story po of Alex Calleja. Sa tamang panahon, Sabado na po, ayan, May 3, 8:15, here on GMA.
And of course?
Ayan. And of course, syempre, Binibining Marikit, Monday to Friday po yan, tuwing 4 p.m. Ayan.
Pagkatapos po nun ay Fast Talk.
Yes!
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan at puso araw-araw. Be kind, make your nanay proud, and say thank you. Do one good thing a day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now, and God bless.